JavaScript is like a roller coaster ride. Some topics are very easy, some are difficult to understand, but don't worry, we will help you whenever you face any kind of difficulty. Well, hello guys, welcome back. You might have heard the word function a million times before. Do you know what exactly a function is? In today's lecture, we are going to see what a JavaScript function is. Before that, let us see our agenda for this session. First, we will see meaning of function. After that, how to define a function and how to call a function. And then, defining a function with parameters. At the end, there is an assignment waiting for you. A function is a group of reusable code which can be called anywhere in your program. This eliminates the need of writing the same code again and again. It helps programmers in writing modular or block of programming statements at a time. Functions allow a programmer to divide a big program into a number of small and manageable functions. You must have seen functions like alert and write in the earlier sessions. We were using these functions again and again, but they had been written in core JavaScript only once. JavaScript allows us to write our own functions as well. This section explains how to write your own functions in JavaScript. Now, let us see how we can define a function. Function definition. Before we use a function, we need to define it. Syntax. The basic syntax is shown here. Function, function name, parameter, list, statements. A common way to define a function in JavaScript is by using the function keyword, followed by a unique function name, a list of parameters, and a statement block surrounded by curly braces. A parameter list can be empty. Now, let us jump onto an actual example. Have a look at your screen. Function say hello. Alert, hello there. Function is the keyword followed by the name of the function, say hello. And the alert message is there in the function, calling the function. When we need to implement the code which we have written in the function, then we need to call that function where we want that code. It is also called as invoking the function. To invoke a function somewhere later in the script, you would simply need to write the name of that function as shown in this code. So here we have created a function called say hello, and we have created a button as well. In the on-click event of that button, we have invoked the function. So whenever we are going to click the button, the alert message will display on the screen. We have seen the functions without parameters till now. Let us see how we can add the parameters in the function. There is a facility to pass different parameters while calling a function. These passed parameters can be captured inside the function, and any manipulation can be done over those parameters. A function can take multiple parameters separated by comma. Let us see an example of how to do that. Now let me explain this code step by step. We created the function say hello and passed the parameters name and age. After that, in the on-click event of the button, we are passing the values of the parameter, which are Zara and 7, to the function say hello. And we are displaying it using document.write. So when we click on the button, the values of the parameter, they get passed to the function parameters and get displayed on the screen. Now, here is an assignment for you. Create a function named welcome and alert the user welcome to our websites when he or she clicks on the button. Well, that is it for today. I hope you understood what exactly a function is, which you are seeing in most of our lectures. I really cannot wait to meet you in the next lecture with some really interesting and important things on JavaScript functions. Till then, stay tuned and stay safe. Bye.